solutions that connect technology, people, and innovation.
Hello, and welcome to a new episode of NT Talks. I'm Ron Bell, the VP of Sales Operations at NTConsult. And today I'm pleased to welcome Andy McNeill. Welcome, Andy. Andy is our new Salesforce Practice Director of North America, and he brings roughly 15 years of Salesforce expertise along with a variety of other customer service experience across industries and geographies. And today's conversation, we're going to talk with Andy a little bit about Salesforce and how, as with other automation technologies, Salesforce combines with AI, and it's never only about the technology. We all know it's always about the people, the innovation that comes with the people, and the thoughtful approach, and where the future's headed as well. And so let's dive in. To begin, let's start with Andy telling us a little bit about the human side, the people side. Andy, can you share a little bit about your experience and you? What drives you both in the office and out of the office? And what stood out about NTConsult that made you want to be part of the NT team?
Thanks, Ron. I appreciate that. I've spent a better part of my career helping companies and organizations unlock, real business value through using Salesforce, from the core CRM transformations to, more complex end-to-end solutions that touch everything from commerce to order management, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, ERP, their point of sale, a bunch of different enterprise integrations. What really drives me is solving meaningful problems and building things that matter. Outside of work, I'm all about balance and experience. I played a lot of sports growing up. I was a multi-sport athlete: football, basketball, volleyball, soccer. I wrestled, and I even did some boxing. And that competitive spirit still fuels me today. I love golf and cooking, getting outdoors, especially backpacking. I've backpacked in many countries around the world, and I find that pushing myself in new environments gives me clarity and creativity when I am back at work.
Guessing that some of your travel and some of your experiences backpacking, it looks like you have some masks on the wall up there.
Yeah.
Maybe those came to be from that.
Yeah. So I have a thing that I do wherever I travel in the world. I collect a mask and I collect beads from that country and their culture. And so I display them all around my house and my office.
Very cool. And so what drew you to NTConsult, in particular?
What drew me to NTConsult was it was a combination of the technical excellence and strong company values. This is a company with real delivery depth, with over 500 professionals and a history of building complex, customized solutions. But at its core, it's really a people-first culture. And to me, that's rare. And it's what made me want to be a part of this next chapter in my career.
I think we do value people first, and we do appreciate you being here. And we have grown. We've been around for 20 plus years, and we've grown, I think, now to as many as about 800 employees worldwide, with a primary in Latin America, of course, and North America. You've built a great career, in particular around Salesforce, and now you're bringing that experience to NTConsult, again, known, like you mentioned, for custom-built solutions and process innovation for over 2 decades. How do you see this combination of forces sort of playing for customers for you, and what can they expect from this new chapter in your life? Because I'm sure you'll be reaching out to people that you already know.
Yeah, this is where things get exciting for me. NTConsult brings a powerful history designing and delivering enterprise grade solutions. And when you combine that with, deep certified Salesforce team, We've got over 50 certifications already on the team, and it's building. We're growing from there. It creates a unique advantage in the space. We're not just talking about plug and play CRM. We're building intelligent adaptive systems that are embedded in our clients, broader digital ecosystems. And I've worked across Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, commerce, portals, order management, order to cash, and I understand how to architect Salesforce as the backbone of operational excellence. Clients can expect a team that doesn't just know Salesforce. We know how to tailor it the way your business actually runs. From, again, retail order to cash, financial services, media cloud, Agentforce, Salesforce's AI, and custom development services, sales and service cloud. We deliver enterprise integration solutions. This isn't just a new chapter, it's a smarter way to get things done.
Thanks. I think that makes sense. And Salesforce, I know, has also evolved massively, even over the time that you've been there, from CRM to a full-on platform for AI. I know Agentforce, automation, and digital engagement. What sort of impressed you the most about how Salesforce is evolving, both from a technology and client impact standpoint?
It's been an incredible evolution, and we're at the inflection point right now. For me, the most compelling part is probably Agentforce, Salesforce's move into AI-powered agents. We're going from managing, basic CRM records to full predictive automation, real-time decisioning, and personalized customer journeys that are both smart and scalable. I've always believed Salesforce is a platform, not just a product. And now that vision is coming to life. Tools like Einstein Copilot and growing orchestration layers across clouds are allowing, our customers to truly automate their intelligence. It's not just impactful, it's transformative. It means businesses can move faster, smarter, and with less friction than ever before.
It's great. And I think there is a lot happening, of course, as you mentioned, the Salesforce ecosystem, new products, AI features. And of course, there's also big events coming up related to Salesforce. What are the key events or launches you're most excited about this year? And will you be representing NTConsult at any of those events?
Dreamforce is definitely the big one. And this year it's all about Agentforce that I mentioned before and real world AI use cases. But I'm also excited about the regional Salesforce innovation days and, sector specific events like Connections that they host all across the country. I'll be at Dreamforce for sure, representing NTConsult. And, I'm looking to share what we're building, particularly around AI, data integrations, and how we're using Salesforce to streamline service operations for our customers. It's a great chance to meet me, connect, learn, collaborate with me. And I'm always up for, meeting for a meal to talk about these things, meeting for a round of golf, whatever it may be.
It's great. I think, of course, with all the automation and the orchestration and everything else that's going on, it's still about the people and getting to know one another and making sure that you're solving problems for people that people need solved, right? To wrap it up, in your view, kind of what parts of the sales ecosystem have the most untapped potential today? I think you sort of mentioned it. And where should clients really be focusing their energy to drive real results?
I think there's a huge untapped potential in tying Salesforce closer to the business core. And that means automation, AI, and data-driven orchestration. Agentforce and Media Cloud are two areas I'm watching very closely. Media Cloud in particular has incredible promise for any organization managing content, engagement, and revenue models at scale. We have the first certified Media Cloud professional on our team who used to work for Salesforce, which is very compelling. He brings the experience as a very skilled solutions architect. So I'm excited to dive into that with him as well. Many clients still see Salesforce just as a CRM, but it's much more powerful when it becomes the central brain of your business, and integrating it with data lakes, ERP, point of sale systems, and AI powered workflows just makes it that much better. I've led projects across all these integration points, and when it's done right, you can really unlock the insights but real-time business actions. So that's where the future is, and that's what we're helping our clients realize.
So in closing, Andy, thanks so much for your time and ideas. This has been a great conversation. It's clear that Salesforce and NTConsult are evolving fast. We really appreciate your vision and experience, and we look forward to delivering real impact for clients across sectors with you helping us lead this practice. To our audience, again, if you're exploring how to get more out of Salesforce or how to align your CRM with broader AI and automation initiatives, reach out and give Andy a call. But Andy, thanks so much. We're thrilled to have you, and let's go.
My pleasure. Thank you guys very much.
NTConsult. Great people coding the future.